Urban survival tips for the home. Have a plan and rehearse it with the family regularly. What will you do if there's an intruder? Do you know where to grab the bug-out bag? You must react instinctively during a crisis. There's no time to think. Make your house safe for the most predictable disaster. If you live in an area prone to earthquakes, don't prepare for a flood. Focus on the most common crisis that could affect you. Reinforce your doors and all access points to your house. During a crisis, looters and other criminal elements will be present. Your house should serve as a fortress that keeps you safe. Have a set of house rules that everyone needs to follow for their own safety. Knowing the different exits and checking that the doors are always locked is everyone's responsibility. Build a safe room, if you can. In the event intruders do manage to break into your house, the safe room will keep your family and you safe. During a crisis, be extra alert if a stranger comes knocking at your door. Should you live in an area with drive-by shootings or a high rate of crime committed with firearms, you should place furniture in front of windows to act as barriers and buffers. Immediately lie flat on the floor when you hear gunfire.